OWASP Top 10, Cross-SiteScripting, XSS. Definition: Cross-site scripting, XSS, vulnerabilities occur when an application allows malicious users to inject and execute scripts in the context of another user's browser. These scripts can manipulate the content of web pages, steal sensitive information, or perform actions on behalf of the user. Example: an attacker injects a malicious JavaScript code into a comment section of a website. When another user views the comment, the script executes in their browser, potentially stealing their session cookie. Causes: improper input validation. Failing to properly validate and sanitize user inputs can lead to XSS vulnerabilities, as attackers can inject scripts into input fields. Output encoding issues. Not encoding output data before rendering it in the browser can allow injected scripts to be executed. Trusting user-generated content. Displaying user-generated content without proper sanitization can make the application susceptible to XSS attacks. Impact: session hijacking. Attackers can steal session cookies, allowing them to impersonate the victim and gain unauthorized access to their account. Data theft. Sensitive information, such as login credentials or personal data, can be stolen by malicious scripts. Malware distribution. XSS can be used to distribute malware by injecting malicious scripts that download and execute malware on the victim's device. Defacement and spoofing. Attackers can manipulate the appearance and content of web pages, misleading users and damaging the reputation of the website. Detection: automated scanners. Use automated security scanners to detect XSS vulnerabilities in web applications. Manual testing. Conduct manual penetration testing to identify XSS vulnerabilities that automated tools may miss. Code reviews. Perform regular code reviews to ensure that input validation and output encoding are implemented correctly. Prevention: input validation and sanitization. Implement robust input validation and sanitization to filter out potentially malicious data before processing or storing it. Output encoding. Always encode output data before rendering it in the browser to ensure that any injected scripts are treated as plain text. Content security policy. CSP: use CSP headers to restrict the execution of scripts and reduce the risk of XSS attacks. Avoid inline JavaScript. Avoid using inline JavaScript in HTML content. Instead, use external scripts that are less susceptible to injection. Security libraries and frameworks. Utilize security libraries and frameworks that provide built-in protection against XSS, such as HTML sanitization libraries. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and follow us on all our social media.